Imagine creating engaging YouTube videos in just minutes. With InVideo AI, your ideas are transformed into polished productions effortlessly. Just head over to invideo.io and select the type of video you'd like to generate, and then input the topic for your video. Choose an AI voice for the voiceover, decide how you want to incorporate subtitles, and learn how to use visuals from iStock to enhance your project. You can even upload your voice to have voiceovers in your own voice. The AI takes your ideas and crafts a video tailored to your preferences, including tone, target audience, and platform. In no time, you'll have a complete video featuring relevant content, imagery, voiceover, and subtitles. You can fine-tune the script, change visuals, or let the automated tools handle adjustments by giving commands to this command box. For example, you can instruct it to change the video to a landscape format, or ask it to make a scene shorter. Check out a snippet of the video we just created.
Ever caught wind of the term AI-generated content? It's a game changer, and here's why. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now capable of creating content, blogs, articles, even scripts like this one. That's correct, you're hearing AI right now. But how does this translate into money? Simple. AI eliminates the need for expensive content creators. It's a one-time investment that keeps giving. And the best part? It's always evolving, learning, improving. So imagine being a business owner. No more expensive writers, no more late content deliveries, just efficient, cost-effective AI. Or perhaps you're an entrepreneur. Sell AI-generated content as a service. A novel, lucrative business model. AI is not just the future, it's the now. So why not capitalize on it? Time waits for no one. Embrace the AI revolution.
You can get started for free, but for accessing premium features and exporting videos without the watermark, you need to upgrade. You can use this code to get double AI generation minutes in the first month. Get started with InVideo and revolutionize your content creation process today.